For a better coding experience, let's install Visual Studio Code on our system. So for that, just open Google Chrome and in the address bar, just write VS Code, then hit enter and open this first link, which is code.visualstudio.com, and download it for your preferred OS. In my case, it is Windows, so I'm gonna click on this download for Windows button. The download will start in a moment. It has been started. It can take a while, so I'm gonna pause the recording. So the download process has been completed successfully. You can see this here. Now double click on this setup file to run this and accept the agreement. Click on next. Click on next again. Leave everything default and click on next again, and make sure to check these boxes. Then click on next and click on this install button. Now VS Code will be installed on your device automatically. You have to wait a little bit. So the installation process is complete. Now let me launch Visual Studio Code by clicking on this finished button. So this is the interface of VS Code. So the process is pretty much easy. Now let me close this, and that's all for now. See you in the next one.